Hi everyone, let's trace a beautiful hand embroidery pattern on this pouch using Pro Circle and heat erasable pen. First of all, I am drawing flowers using the biggest circle on the Pro Circle. For drawing the satin flower, draw two smaller circles at the center of the bigger circles. Now start tracing the petals as shown in the video. There must be minimum 5 petals for a satin flower. Similarly, draw the second flower. Next, I am going to add branches and leaves to the pattern. Adding more flowers using the Pro Circle. The detailed embroidery tutorial of this pouch is given in the description. Please do check it out. Like and subscribe for more detailed tutorials like this in the future. Thanks for watching.